Just wanted to share my journey with instasmile really. My teeth, as you can see, are yellow stained, one missing here and a hole in this one, and as you can imagine, I never had an open smile. As a child I always suffered with my teeth. I had braces and it never done anything, especially for this front one that is now missing. Eventually obviously it went bad and had to come out, which was probably about a year and a half ago, possibly longer. I did have a denture, but it just didn't look right, didn't make me feel confident, or the colours didn't match, etc. So I went and researched and I came across instasmile, and I thought, why not? I didn't like the smile as it was, so I had nothing to lose. Originally I went for top and bottom, but unfortunately I got a bit receding on the bottom ones, so I couldn't get those. But I did go for the top ones. I went for the platinum. I think it was, I can't remember what colour, BL1 possibly. I didn't want to go too white because obviously with my bottom teeth being discoloured, I didn't want it to look too obvious. But next time I do order from them, I will probably go lighter. So yeah, as you can see, not good. And with instasmile, now I've got the confidence to smile. And the customer service is brilliant. Always quick to reply to emails, on the phone. They're all really lovely and they really want to help you get the smile you deserve. Thank you.